You don't need 21 days to fix your life. You don't even need 7. You need one honest day where you stop lying to yourself, stop negotiating with your excuses, and do what you already know you should. The reason you're still stuck isn't because you lack motivation. It's because your life is too loud to hear the truth, too scattered to follow one direction, too reactive to build anything real. Today, we fix that with a 24-hour reset that clears the noise, picks one mission, and turns you from overwhelmed into unstoppable. You'll walk away with clarity, focus, and a plan you can stick to without needing willpower. If you're still watching, it's not by accident. Deep down, you're ready to change your life. 1. Lock in. Pick one day to shut the world out. Put your phone on airplane mode. No scrolling, no texts, no tabs. Let people know you're off the grid if you need to, but once you're out, stay out. It's just you and your mind now. The truth is, most people aren't tired. They're overstimulated. They're never alone long enough to hear their own thoughts. So give yourself the gift of silence. A quiet room with a clean desk and a simple setup. Just water, paper, and space. And when you get the urge to grab your phone, to check social media and distract yourself, don't give in. That's not boredom. You've been conditioned to avoid your own mind and the truth. Sit with it. Because if you can't spend a single day with your own thoughts, you're not in control. This is the first move that changes everything. It's time to lock in. The real work starts here. 2. Activate your body. Most people spend most of their day sitting down, and it's killing their energy, focus, and drive. The truth is, physiology drives psychology. The way you move, breathe, and use your body directly shapes how you feel and think. If you want a better mindset, start with your body. The better your physical state, the better your mental performance. And you don't get there by slouching in a chair, staring at a screen. Don't wait until you feel like it. That moment may never come. Move first. Let your body lead and your mind will follow. Walk, run, stretch, do push-ups and breathe deeper than you have all day. You're not chasing a personal best. You're changing your internal chemistry. Change your state, and it will change your life. 3. Sit in stillness. Find a quiet spot. Sit tall, hands relaxed, and set a 20-minute timer. Close your eyes and put your attention on your breath. Feel the cool air flowing in and the warm air flowing out. Thoughts and feelings will emerge. Let them. Notice them the way you'd notice clouds passing overhead. Then return to your breath. No forcing, no judging. Every time you drift and come back, you're training focus. Each one is like a bicep curl for the mind. The goal isn't to clear your mind, it's to take back control of your focus, to observe what's really going on inside without getting pulled into it. As your breath slows, so does your nervous system. The tension leaves and your mind quiets. When the timer ends, open your eyes again. You'll feel the difference. More space, less noise. From this state, you think sharper, smarter, and from a position of power. 4. Mind dump. Open a blank page. On paper if you like the feel of writing, or on your laptop if you prefer. The tool doesn't matter. What matters is getting everything out of your head and in front of you. Start writing whatever comes up. Worries, plans, half-formed ideas, things you've been putting off, stuff you're excited about, even random nonsense. If it's in your mind, it belongs on the page. Don't edit. Don't try to make it neat or clever. You're not writing for anyone else. You're unloading weight from your mind. If you pause, ask yourself, what else is in there? And keep going. Write until you feel like you've put it all down. When you're done, skim it once. Notice patterns, priorities, and the things you've been avoiding. This is mental housekeeping. You're clearing the clutter so your mind has space to focus on the next steps. 5. The cut list. Now, on a fresh page, write down everything in your life that's holding you back. Think about habits, distractions, environments, even people. Be specific. The late night scrolling, the snacks that drain your energy, the quick breaks that turn into lost hours. The friend who laughs at your goals. The cluttered desk that kills your focus. If it drains you, distracts you, or slows you down, it goes on the list. Make the decision today to minimize or remove these completely. If you're serious about changing your life, you must set yourself free from everything holding you back. You can't move forward while carrying anchors. When you cut what's weighing you down, progress stops feeling like a fight and starts feeling inevitable. 6. Choose your mission. Think of your life like a game. You get to decide what the main mission is. Choose one goal that genuinely excites you. Something big enough to pull you forward and meaningful enough that you'd be proud to spend years on it. Look for the mission that fits who you are, your strengths, your interests, the way you naturally work. Write it down in a single sentence and read it back to yourself. If it doesn't spark something inside you, keep refining it until it does. From here, everything else becomes irrelevant. When opportunities or distractions come up, you'll know what matters and what doesn't, because you'll have already chosen your direction. 7. Build your checkpoints. Once you've chosen your mission, break it down into smaller steps, checkpoints you can actually reach along the way. This takes something that feels huge and makes it manageable. It also gives you regular wins that keep your momentum going. Make the first step so simple you could do it today. If your mission is to become the best YouTuber in the world, that first step might be coming up with 5 video ideas or choosing your channel name. If your mission is to get in the best shape of your life, it could be as small as booking your first training session or buying the gear you need. When your big goal is broken into clear, achievable steps, the path forward stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling possible. 8. Schedule your success. Time is your most valuable resource, and if you don't take control of it, it will quietly slip away. Before you go to bed tonight, plan tomorrow. Not just a rough idea. Schedule it, hour by hour. Start with the things that move your mission forward. Then add the other essentials: exercise, meals, rest, admin. You can include downtime too, but make it intentional. Every hour should have a purpose. Write it in your calendar or your notebook, then live by it. When you wake up knowing exactly what to do and when to do it, your day has structure and direction. And when you stack enough of those days together, your life starts to shift in ways that will surprise you. 9. See it before you sleep. Before you close your eyes tonight, picture the future you're working toward. See it in detail: where you are, what you're doing, and how it feels to have achieved it. Then picture the journey that gets you there. See yourself waking up early, putting in focused work, overcoming setbacks, and pushing through moments of doubt. Feel both: the satisfaction of the destination and the effort of the climb. You're rehearsing success in your mind and installing the belief you can achieve it. 5 minutes is enough, but feel free to go on for as long as you wish. Let the last thing you see each night be the life you're building and the actions you'll take tomorrow to get closer. When you wake up tomorrow after doing this, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more in control. And that's just from one day. Now imagine stacking days like this. You'll build a life that feels unstoppable. Most people will hear this and do nothing. They'll save it, nod along, and slip back into their old habits. Don't be most people. Be the one who actually follows through. Because once you've lived a single day at this level of clarity, focus, and truth, you'll never want to go back.